This is the anti-breakage and repair. I have the shampoo, the hair mask. That's why this shit is not meant for us. Here is the flower arrangement. Let me fix my eyeshadow real quick. Hello my loves, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's vlog, you guys. Today it is obviously a day in the life. It's gonna be more of a chill vlog. I have some things planned to do. Hopefully it goes as planned. And y'all hear that? That's a bag. Because I am deep conditioning my hair. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, you got short hair, girl, what are you dip conditioning? I'm still dip conditioning something. Still keeping that routine even though I have short hair because I still want to take care of my hair nonetheless. I'm gonna take it off once I do my workout. I'm gonna take you guys with me in the bathroom and wash my hair and stuff. Today we're hanging out with the family. And what else is going on? I do want to stop at Kroger and get some fresh flowers so I can make myself a nice flower arrangement. So I'm gonna film today as well and wear makeup. So I have a lot today to do, but like it feels like I don't in a way. I don't know why. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy my vlogs. Thank you for tuning in today, you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any other videos. So give it a big thumbs up so I know that you have enjoyed my vlog as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this day started, y'all. Let's go. On my hair and my hair feels so soft, so clean. I do want to show you guys the hair products I've been using lately. My friend got me trying out this new hair product. Now I'm going to show you guys what I usually use. This is what I normally use. I use the conditioner, the shampoo. I just use Auntie Jackie. If you guys love Auntie Jackie, let me know in the comment section how you feel about Auntie Jackie's hairline and stuff. I don't have a problem with it, but my friend was like, you know what, try something different, have a little fun, see if the main choice will work for you. This is the anti-breakage and repair. I have the shampoo, the hair mask, the leave-in lotion, and the conditioner. Now I have been using this for some time now. You can kind of see where the conditioner is. I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't. I don't know, I really love Auntie Jackie more than this line. If you use the main choice, let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it and what line do you use. I use the anti-breakage and repair because before I cut my hair, I felt like my hair was feeling pretty damaged. So my friend recommended this and she's a natural hair junkie, like pretty much a natural hair guru. That's how I feel like she should start her YouTube channel because her natural hair journey has been amazing and I want my natural hair journey to start and be amazing as well. But I already washed my hair so it's super clean. Now I'm gonna grab my leave-in lotion. And y'all, this main choice line is expensive. And I feel like I'm not even feeling it like that, you know? Like, is it just me? I feel like I'm not really feeling it. I don't know. I feel like I love Auntie Jackie more, and it's probably because of my hair texture, just what my hair prefers, because everybody's hair is different, just like everybody's skin. But you know, I might be wrong. I might be wrong. But let me just coat this leave-in lotion in there pretty good. So we are good. I'm gonna do my skincare. I already washed and cleansed my skin, so I'm going to grab a toner. Actually, let me show you guys my skincare. Not sure if I showed you guys my skincare and where I put all my skincare products. This is how it looks. My skincare products are not that much, to be honest, compared to a lot of people. I try to keep it as minimum as possible, and I try to keep products that I personally enjoy and I use. So for cleanser, I used, okay, the Murad. It's actually on my bathtub. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tone. So for toner, I'm gonna grab the Fenty Skin Toner. And then for serum, today I'm feeling like grabbing the Ole Henriksen serum. This is really the truth, and it also says the truth on there right here. It's really good. This one has been my favorite as well. The Grace and Stella Hydrating Serum. This is pretty good. And then for moisturizer, I am feeling like, nope, I'm gonna do the Murad. This new Murad moisturizer is so bomb, so good, so good. And then what else? What comes after serum? Toner, serum. Actually, I lied. Let me put this back because this is a serum and a toner. Gets the job done. And then for eye cream, I'm gonna grab the Ordinary eye cream and moisturizer. We're good. So let me just go ahead and finish up with my skincare. About to head out. Let me fix my eyeshadow real quick. I just got done getting dressed. We ate breakfast this morning and did our usual morning routine. I want to show you guys my outfit real quick. Okay, I feel like, listen, I feel like the 90s, but like in 2000, okay? Loving the outfit. I feel so warm. It's not that cold outside, but you know, later on, fix my bra. Later on, it's gonna get a little chilly, but check out the fit. I'm wearing my turtleneck top from Misguided, my jeans from Fashion Nova, and this belt that my sister got me. Super cute. Got this from Boohoo. My sister got me this hat as well. And then jewelry, Misguided necklace, my ring, and that is it. And then for purse, I'm just gonna grab this purse right here. And y'all, I am set for the outfit. I don't know what it is, but fall, I feel more confident when it comes to my outfits more than I do in the summer. I just feel like summer is cute, but like it's be hot. It'd be too hot to be trying to slay, okay? We can be slaying all day in the summer, all right? But yeah, y'all, I really feel like I'm in the 90s right now. But we're about to head out and meet up with my family and, you know, go from there. I feel like somebody else. That's why I'm talking like this. I'm doing all of this because I feel so like different. I'm so excited. Let me get my purse. I'm so look. It's like a beautiful day, good weather to be stepping out and going to see some cows. That's exactly what we're about to go see some cows. You guys, you would never guess, we got there and y'all, they was literally closing in 30 minutes. And luckily me and Junior were there first before the whole familia got there. So I had to call everybody, tell them not to come. And the ones who were on their way, they had to turn around. But yeah, so the little farm is canceled, but it's okay, we got a plan B. Don't you feel like it's not much to do here? This city is very laid back. Nothing wrong with that. If you like a laid back city, Fort Wayne is definitely a place for you. But me and Junior were just those people who love to be like out and about doing something on weekends. That's why this city is not meant for us.
Our town is really boy. I mean, they might have some activity going on, but it's like
you gotta stay up to date with it. You have to know.
Like they don't really like post much like anywhere, so that way people can figure it out, like trying to find out what's going on in town.
Exactly.
So, a lot of time, majority, we always trying to think of planning to go somewhere else out of town.
Yeah.
And enjoy yourself. But Yeah, fall one is way laid back.
It's very boring, and it's like it's not something that we enjoy. That's why for my birthday we went to Indy and we had so much fun. It was so much fun because that's the type of people we are. We like to vibe, go out together and enjoy, you know. But Fort Wayne is so small, it's like there's not really much to do. You will catch yourself doing the same thing every weekend, literally.
Yeah, not a whole lot.
Yeah, not a whole lot. It is what it is. But we're gonna head to the place, get some ice cream, walk around, see my niece and nephew, my sisters, and just like relax, I guess. It's such a chill vlog today. And y'all, I'm rocking awake because I was what you say? I'm rocking awake because I was filming this video for this content, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna throw a wig on today. And this hair is so bomb. Oh my gosh, it's so long, so full. I'm actually hot. At the same time, the sun is like literally on me. I'm really feeling some nice cream cheese. Is it cheese cream or cream cheese ice cream? Oh, sounds so good. Hey y'all, so okay, wait a minute. So we just got back, and well, I got the flowers right here. I'm gonna make myself a little cute flower arrangement with this vase that I got from Target. I'm gonna try my hardest to find this vase. Is the lighting changing or is it me? Hold on. Okay, much better. That was weird. So like I was saying, I'm gonna try so hard to find this vase from Target. If I do, I'm gonna link it in the description box. But let me just put some water in here. That's a lot of water. All right, let's get this flower arrangement going. I'm so excited. Woo. The flower arrangement. I am so in love. It's giving me fall vibes in my own home. I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. Junior hasn't seen it yet, but everything looks so cute. By the way, I forgot to show you guys, I got a new dining table. Hello, finally we got a new dining table. I need to get a carpet rug because I don't like how plain it is. I just would rather have it have a carpet. I got this dining table from Wayfair. Seats, I got them from Home Goods. I loved them. The minute I seen them, I was like, yes, that's gonna go so well with the vibe that I'm trying to go off with my home. I love how small they are, but at the same time, they're like super comfy too. I'm sorry, I got these at Home, not Home Goods. So sorry, at Home. And another piece that I got from At Home is this like vase thing. It's holding the pampas grass. Love this so much. So unique. Junior picked it up. He did so good spotting this as well. I think over time I'm going to stain that lighter part just to make it a little bit dark. But at the moment, I'm gonna keep it like this so I can just enjoy that vibe. But in case I did not show you guys this part of my home as well, this is another part that I enjoy looking at now. Do not mind this and don't mind this. At the moment, we're gonna figure out where I'm gonna put those two. But I wanted y'all to see how gorgeous this area is. I know somebody's gonna ask me, where did I get this? I got this from Hobby Lobby a couple months ago or last year. It was on sale. This is my favorite piece of this area, and this mirror is from Hobby Lobby as well. I got this vase from Home Goods. You guys know this because I went shopping with you guys lightly on one of the vlogs. And what else? I got this little cute little thing from Joann's. And yeah, all these other details are little things that I've grabbed at other stores that I can't even think of right now. But that's a little update of the home. Oh, one more update. I also got, I feel like I haven't talked to you guys about my home in a while. I also got this little stools. These stools, you guys, was a different color. I'm gonna insert a picture. They were actually more lighter. It was gray, and then the top part was more light wood. I went ahead and stained it a darker brown. It looks black on camera, but y'all, it is a dark brown and I am so in love. That is it, you guys, for my home update. And I forgot to tell you all, I know my wig is like flopping right here. It's ready for me to take it off. I'm ready to take it off, as well as this makeup. Y'all see my forehead? My forehead got two tones going on because of the hat. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Okay, hello. Subscribe down below. It's just right there. It's free. It's free. And also hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when I upload. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video up, watch a movie with my man, eat some food, relax for the night, y'all, and I will chat with you guys in my next video. Bye.